The 2016 RX 350 complies with Lexus standards, which are known for their luxury, dependability, and performance. It has been completely revamped and now sports one of the neatest designs in the class. It establishes its reputation through the luxurious cabin design, elegant ride quality, and high level of tranquility. While some may find the SUV's acceleration and cargo capacity to be underwhelming, its dependability is always of the highest caliber. In its current iteration, there are only 64 complaints, and none of them appear to have a significant effect. In addition, there have only been 3 recalls and no name-related investigations. However, the SUV is not without flaws, so let's look more closely at it. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Airbags issues. The airbag system of the 2016 RX 350 has received a few complaints from customers. While the majority of users have voiced complaints about the airbags failing to deploy in the event of a collision, one purchaser observed that the airbag deployed randomly. The occupants have suffered injuries in both cases. Stalling of engine. The unintentional loss of power is another issue with the 2016 Lexus RX 350. The midsize SUV has been known to unexpectedly stall several times, rendering the vehicle unusable. Despite the fact that the cause of the issue is unknown, 2 complainants have reported fuel pumps failing and needing to be replaced. Other Toyota and Lexus vehicles have also experienced this problem, and a recall has been started to fix the problem. Unintended vehicle movement. One of the most frequent issues with the 2016 Lexus RX 350 is its lack of acceleration. The vehicle has picked up speed and accelerated unexpectedly, according to the complainants, whether the brake pedal is depressed or there is no input at all. As a result, there has been a loss of control over the vehicle, posing a danger to the buyers. Bent wiper arm. More than a few buyers have also mentioned that the windshield wiper arm bends unexpectedly in the list of structural problems. As a result, when the wiper is used, it strikes the hood. The only available fix at the moment is to replace the wiper arm. Explosion of sunroof. Customers of the Japanese SUV have reported the sunroof unexpectedly exploding as one of the 2016 Lexus RX 350 problems. The sunroof's glass pane has been reported to break, causing glass fragments to either fly outward or enter the cabin. Both scenarios have the potential to produce dangerous conditions both inside and outside the car. Recalls. There are 3 recalls related to the 2016 Lexus RX 350. First, non-deployment of airbags. The side, curtain shield, or front airbags may not deploy in the event of a collision due to the failure of the airbag pressure or acceleration sensors, which increases the risk of injury. Second, damaged O-ring may result in insufficient brake fluid pressure. Braking potential may be decreased by low brake fluid pressure caused by a damaged O-ring in the ABS actuator. The impacted units don't follow federal laws as a result. Third, gas leak from driver's knee airbag. The gas needed to inflate the knee airbag could leak from the inflator as a result of a poor weld. Should you buy it? The 2016 Lexus RX 350 is a standout midsize SUV in its class, thanks to its comfortable ride, 4-star safety rating, and long list of features. The RX 350 earns its place in the market with its dependability, even though its well-designed interior layout and eye-catching new design make it a welcome addition. The vehicle has a limited number of complaints and recalls despite its high sales figures.